friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on the application of TikTok. You will go to settings, then you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of TikTok. Then in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So after that, you will go to Play Store and then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.